Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to deposit money on 1xBet. First thing first, open the 1xBet website or app and log in to your account. Before making a deposit, ensure that your account currency is set correctly. On the desktop version, you'll find the deposit button on the top right corner of the screen, and on mobile, just tap the menu and then select deposit. 1xBet offers multiple deposit options such as bank cards, UPI, e-wallets, and cryptocurrencies. Select the one that's most convenient for you and click deposit. Now type in the amount you want to deposit and make sure it meets the minimum deposit requirement. Enter the required banking or wallet information, then double-check your details to avoid transaction errors. Now tap confirm to finalize the payment and wait for a few seconds for your transaction to process. Once your deposit is successful, the money will reflect in your 1xBet balance instantly or within a few minutes, depending on the method. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.